Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my small ball python collection. Over here we have my 2010 Mojave female. Gonna be breeding this year. So over here, pastel female. My cinnamon female. Over here we have my lesser female. She's about 900 grams. Hopefully she'll be able to breed next year. This one, don't really know what it is. I bought her as a yellow belly, but a lot of people tell me that she's either vanilla or yellow belly, so we don't know yet. I have to prove her out next year. Over here we have another female lesser. My lemon blast female. She's real bright for her size. You can see she's a real bright lemon blast. Down here we have my female pastel het pied. That's my normal. She's kind of cool looking though. She came out from an Inchy clutch, so she got a lot of green on the side. As you can see, she's hungry right now. This is my male blue-eye leucistic. I don't have any plans for him this year, so most of my stuff is gonna go with a leopard. Bumblebee male. My pastel het pied male. I don't know if you can really tell, but let's see if I can pull him out. Alright, you can see. You can see the markings on the tail. So hopefully I can make some pies. And then over here we have my male fire. Real nice fire. Alright, let's move on to this side. Over here. This one is my Inchy spider. Male. He's kind of feisty right now. Down here we have 2013 female fire. I hashed this one out. Over here, the only bumblebee I hashed out this year. female. She's a keeper. Then over here I have just a bunch of normals. Pastel male. Two fire males. And then on this side I have my big proven normal. Another normal. And then some of the colors that I hatched out this year. I have pastels, spiders, another spider, pastel, this is hiding. So another pastel, female, most of them. And another pastel. Alright guys, this is most of my collection for now. 2014 season is gonna be pretty good. I'm breeding leopard to Mojave, lesser, cinnamon, and pastel hopefully. So thanks for watching.